Good morning students, class 10, chapter number 6, triangles. Now we discuss about Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem already discussed in the previous classes. Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now we have to prove this theorem. It is the Pythagoras theorem, and the Pythagoras theorem in the page number 144. What is the statement of the theorem? In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. यानी कि hypotenuse का square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. So we draw a triangle ABC in which angle B equal to 90 degree. Given triangle ABC in which angle B equal to 90 degree, it is given, and we have to prove AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC, the side opposite to 90 degree, is called hypotenuse, and remaining two sides AB square plus BC square. Construction: we draw BD perpendicular AC. To prove the theorem, we have to draw a construction BD perpendicular AC. Now we start its proof. To start the proof, firstly we similar triangle ABD, triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Both triangles are similar. So we just note down triangle ABD and triangle ABC. In these two triangles, we have to find out two corresponding angles which are equal. So firstly we observe that angle A is equal to angle A which is common. Second, angle D of smaller triangle is equal to angle B of larger triangle. Angle D is equal to angle B region each 90 degree. So the using criteria double A. By double A criteria we can say that triangle ABD similar, triangle ABC. Triangle ABD similar, triangle we have to prove angle A is equal to angle A. So in the place of angle A we just note down A, and angle D is equal to angle B. So in the place of D we note down B. So triangle ABD is similar triangle ACB. So both triangles are similar, and after similarity we note down by CPST. CPST mean corresponding parts of similar triangles. So corresponding parts of similar triangle, and we can say that angle A equal to angle A, angle B equal to angle C, angle D equal to angle B, or AB upon AC, sides की ratio also AB upon AC, BD upon CB, and AD upon AB, AD upon AB. Now we use these two ratios. AB upon AC is equal to AD upon AB, and after cross multiply, AB square equal to AD multiply AC. Equation number 1. Now we have to prove triangle BDC, triangle BDC and triangle ABC. These two triangles are similar. So in these two triangles we observe that angle C is common, and angle D of smaller triangle is equal to angle B of larger triangle, यानी कि angle D is equal equal to angle B. Reason, each 90 degree. So again, by double A criteria, we can say that triangle BDC is similar triangle. We have to prove angle D is equal to angle B. So we just note down angle B here and angle C equal to angle C. So triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. Again by CPST means corresponding parts of similar triangles. We can say that BD upon AB is equal to DC upon BC is equal to BC upon AC. We use these two ratios, DC upon BC equal to BC upon AC, and after cross multiply, BC square equal to AC multiply DC, and it is the equation number 2. Now in the last we have to add equation number 1 and equation number 2 both. Add equation number 1 and equation number 2 both. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AD multiply AC plus AC multiply DC. We can take AC as a common in the bracket, AD plus DC. And what is the addition of AD plus DC? Yes, AC. So it is AC square. So finally AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. So it is the proof of Pythagoras theorem. So I showed the proof of the theorem is clear. Just note down, in the next video we continue exercise 6.5. Thank you very much.